Did you know that 20% to 45% of heart attacks are silent? That's right. Many people don't realize that a heart attack isn't always as dramatic as the movies make it seem. Sometimes, the signs are subtle, minimal, or even non-existent. In today's video, we'll discuss what a silent heart attack is and how to identify its symptoms. What is a silent heart attack? And how is it different from a regular one? A regular heart attack, also known as a symptomatic heart attack, comes with obvious signs like chest pain, shortness of breath, sweating, nausea, or vomiting. These symptoms are intense and signal that the heart isn't receiving enough blood. However, with a silent heart attack, as the name suggests, the symptoms are mild or easily mistaken for other health issues. The person may not even know they had a heart attack, which is dangerous because it increases the risk of severe complications, including sudden death. How does a silent heart attack happen? It occurs in the same way as a regular heart attack, but without obvious symptoms. The main cause is a blockage of blood flow to the heart, usually due to plaque buildup in the coronary arteries. These arteries deliver oxygen-rich blood to the heart. Over time, plaque can harden, rupture, and form a blood clot, obstructing blood flow to the heart muscle. Why is it important to recognize silent heart attack symptoms? Recognizing these signs is crucial because a silent heart attack can go unnoticed and lead to life-threatening complications. Cardiovascular diseases are the leading cause of death globally, accounting for around 17.9 million deaths each year. According to the World Health Organization, in Brazil alone, over 300,000 people die annually from heart-related conditions, including heart attacks. Silent heart attacks are more common in women and often increase the risk of future cardiovascular events like heart attacks or strokes. So, what are the 6 signs of a silent heart attack? Unexplained fatigue. Feeling unusually tired, even after a good rest, could indicate that your heart isn't functioning properly. Shortness of breath. Difficulty breathing during light activity or even at rest can signal that your heart isn't getting enough oxygen. Nausea or stomach discomfort. Some people, especially women, may experience nausea, indigestion, or stomach discomfort during a silent heart attack. Pain in the arm, back, neck, or jaw. Discomfort in these areas, rather than the chest, could be a sign of insufficient blood flow to the heart. Cold sweats or dizziness. Feeling lightheaded, weak, or breaking out in a cold sweat could be indicators of a silent heart attack. Insomnia or anxiety. Stress-related sleep disturbances and anxiety may be linked to silent heart attacks. Can you prevent a silent heart attack? Yes. Preventing silent heart attacks is crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health. Here are some key measures. Healthy diet. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean meats, and low in saturated fats, sugars, and salt can help prevent heart disease. Regular physical activity. Aim for 150 minutes of moderate exercise or 75 minutes of intense exercise weekly, like walking, swimming, or cycling. Stress management. Practice stress-reducing activities like meditation, yoga, or hobbies to lower your risk. Routine medical checkups. Regular screenings are essential, especially for those with risk factors like high blood pressure, diabetes, high cholesterol, or a family history of heart disease. Important tests include cholesterol and glucose levels, blood pressure checks, and electrocardiograms. Taking these steps can help prevent cardiovascular diseases and reduce the risk of a silent heart attack. Each person is unique, so it's important to consult a doctor to determine the best prevention methods for your situation. I hope this video has helped you learn more about silent heart attacks and how to recognize their signs. Remember, prevention is the best cure. Take care of your health and pay attention to your body's signals. If you know someone who could benefit from this information, don't hesitate to share this video. Also, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.